In this video, I will discuss about break statement in the Python. Break statement is one of the loop controlling statement that can change the normal flow of the executions in the loops. It can be for loop or a while loop. Break statement is used to terminate the loop immediately, or it is used to exit the for loop or a while loop immediately, even though loop condition is still true. If you look at this example, if this particular break statement is not there, it will print the I value from 1 to 9. Here we have added one if condition. Whenever I value is equal to 5, simply we are exiting from this entire for loop. Now let's look at the examples for the break statement in Python. Here I will quickly create a new Python file as 05 break statement .py, and inside this Python file I am writing a simple for loop for I and then in, followed by that I am using a range function, and I will specify the starting value as 1 and ending value as 10. Then simply I will print the I value. So this particular for loop will print the I value from 1 to 9. So let's quickly run this program. If you see the output here, so we are able to print the output from 1 to 9, right? Now let's add a simple if condition here before I print the I value. If I equal to 5, then simply we are exiting from this for loop by using the break statement. If I run this program, so previously it was printing the output from 1 to 9, but this time it will print the from 1 to 4, right? Because whenever I value is 5, simply we are coming out of this for loop. Let's quickly run this program. If you see here the output, so we are printing the starting value from 1 to 4 only, right? Simply we are coming out of this for loop. Let's add a simple print statement after coming out of the for loop. I'll just pass the message as I am out of the for loop. So if I run the program once again, if you see here, for loop is printing the value from 1 to 4, and then next it is executing the line number 7. So this is how we can use the break statement in Python.